Approach nav, final and blue, alt as well. 220 knots please, flap 1.
Speed checks. Flap 1.
Alt star.
1 blue. Checked.
So we can do a fully managed approach. And we're at 3,000 feet.
Checked, and I can see the blue down arrow there where it's supposed to be.
Excellent. So it should be at 8.1.
8.1, yeah.
So at 8.1 we can start our descent. It's taking a nice lazy turn, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the inbound radial is 354, so plus or minus 5 we can start down on that.
Checked.
Shamrock 542, reduce speed 180 knots.
180 knots, Shamrock 542.
180 knots please, 190 knots please, flap 2.
Speed checked, flap 2, 2 blue.
So there's the radial 353, we're turning onto it now, we're inbound.
Roger.
Yes, bonjour, Fraction 358 Tango, we are proceeding to merge, descending 140, 300 knots minimum.
Fraction 358 Tango, Roger, continue present heading Victor in VOR Alpha approach runway 04 left, descend level 80.
Descending 80.
So approaching 8.1, we should start descent at 8.1, yeah.
358 Tango.
Shamrock 542, contact tower 118.7, au revoir.
87, Shamrock 542, au revoir.
Final.
France 412, start November, clear for takeoff runway 04 right, wind 350 degrees, 7 knots.
04 right, takeoff taxi 75, descend over.
Tower bonjour, Shamrock 542, VOR Alpha 04 left.
Alpha X-ray autorisé décollage, Mike Echo, vent 350 degrees, 7 knots.
We've quite a strong,
7 miles.
it's quite a strong tailwind there.
2650, which is on
Easy 67, Quebec Lima, contact Nice departure 130.825, bye bye.
Nice departure 130.825, easy 67, Quebec Lima, merci, au revoir.
Alpha X-ray, trafic au départ, piste sud.
right off the live.
Right on the live check.
Look for 2330 on profile.
Thank you very much. I'm fully visual now.
Tower bonjour, Shamrock 542, VOR Alpha 04 left.
Shamrock 542, bonjour, report short final, runway 04 right.
Wilco, Shamrock 542.
Flight directors off, please.
Flight directors off.
Track FPA.
Whisky 3, alignez-vous piste 04 droite.
Fully visual.
Whisky 3, nous alignons 04 droite,
Set the go around altitude, please.
Sorry, 2000 is set for the go around.
Gear down, please.
Gear down?
Yes, thank you.
Oui, bonjour, en alpha unité pour croiser la 04 gauche.
Blaco 5, croisez la 04 gauche, rappelez dégagé.
Croiser la 04 gauche, rappel dégagé, ne pas
Gonna wind
quitter.
this up because it's gonna start
Et
beeping
pour le
again.
Whisky Bravo, s'il est disponible, nous sommes preneurs du départ omnidirectionnel avec un cap 125 à 500 pieds après l'envol.
2000 is set for the mist.
Thank you very much.
201 Whisky Bravo, c'est copié, donc départ multidirectionnel après l'envol, cap 125.
Speed is 165, flap 3, please.
Après l'envol, Corsica, Whisky Bravo, merci. Corsica 201 Whisky Bravo, autorisé décollage piste 04 droite, le vent 360 degrés 6 nœuds. Autorisé décollage 04
And the wind has dropped off. The tailwind is less of an issue now. Fully visual with both runways. I'll take 160 knots, please. Flap full on the landing check.
Flap full blue landing check. That says barrel ref.
Our reference says 1006 and I am fully visual.
Departure 130.825.
Auto thrust is off. Is landing with no blue.
Landing check is complete.
Thank you very much.
Lima Papa, autorisé décollage Mike Echo, vent 360 degrés 6 nœuds, départ de la piste sud.
Mike Echo, en vue du départ, allez, un Papa.
Tower Shamrock 542 on short final.
Shamrock 542 clear to land on 04 left, wind 360 degrees 6 knots.
Clear to land, 04 left, Shamrock 542. And you are clear to land?
Thank you very much. Clear to land. The wind is from the left.
Checked.
Correcting on the speed.
Checked.
04 gauche, dégagé, ne pas Echo 5.
Oui, Flyco 5, c'est reçu, merci.
500.
Stabilized.
Checks.
400.
K 201, Whisky Bravo, reportez le cap à Nice, départ sur 130 décimales 825, au revoir.
Le cap au départ 3825 pour Silka, Whisky Bravo. Bonne journée, au revoir.
Retard.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Diesel.
Boeing 1516, cross runway 04 left, line up runway 04 right.
100 knots.
Cross runway 04 left, only surface.
Manual brakes.
Boeing 1516.
70 knots.
So vacating to the left.
Nice Tower, I'm sorry, good morning again, VistaJet A68, turning final in 5 seconds.
VistaJet A68, bonjour, report short final, runway 04 left.
We call you short final 04 left.
Shamrock 542 with Nice ground 1217, bye-bye.
Nice ground 121.7, Shamrock 542, au revoir. Nice ground bonjour, Shamrock 542, vacating on Echo Golf.
Shamrock 542, bonjour, taxi via Golf, Tango, Sierra, stand 14 Charlie.
Golf, Tango, Sierra for stand 14 Charlie.